Hello everyone, welcome to my class. Today we are going to learn about OS, that means operating system. In this video I'm going to teach you about definition of OS, functions of OS, examples of OS and the final one is importance of OS. Let's begin our class. Definition of OS. OS means operating system. This operating system is a system software that control and manage the working of the computer. It acts like an intermediate between the computer hardware and the user. To ensure that every aspect of the computer work perfectly. Functions of OS, that means what are the work OS is doing. It start the computer, control all the hardware device and run the application software very smoothly without any error and manage the memory. It allocate the space for each and every work you are doing in the computer, and it manage the file and folders, and it provide the user to interface with the computer without any trouble. It prevent unauthorized user from accessing your data. And without OS, what happen, so you have to write program for every single thing. Example, you want to save the file means you have to exactly write the program how to move the mechanical parts of the disk drive to save that file. So it's very difficult, right? So that's why they invented the OS to make our work very easy. Next, we are moving to examples of OS: Windows, Linux, Mac OS, Android, and iOS are the few examples for the OS. Now we are moving to importance of operating system. Without operating system, the computer cannot work. And the second one is help the user to interact with the computer and control all the computer activities and manage the hardware, software, everything. And it provide the security for your computer. So OS is a very important thing in your computer. So this is a quick summary for the today's class. I'm going to give one small example to understand this concept better. So imagine like this: OS is a manager and all the hardware is a worker and software is a task. What the manager will do? Manager manage the workers to do the task perfectly, right? You can also imagine like this: OS is a principal and hardware is a teacher and the software is a students. What the principal will do? Principal manage all the teachers and the student, right? So OS, that is the principal, ensure the teacher is teaching the lesson perfectly to the students. So literally OS is managing each and everything of the computer. Thank you for listening me. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.